Okay, folks, got a good strong signal here. Not sure what it is, but we're gonna find out. I have been very fortunate and found some cool coins. Some of y'all may have seen some of those pictures, but I've also been finding more Civil War artifacts as well. And man, what is it? You know, I usually don't just stick my fingers down there. Okay. Sorry about that, folks. We'll have the camera do a little bit of work and edit some of that bouncing around out. You gotta be careful though. You don't want to ruin something. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. Oh, wow. All right. Oh, no. Say it isn't so. That's one of the... That's a Spanish real. Circa 1783. You know, you see it's in pretty bad condition, but it's silver and, you know, over 200 years old. So, really cool. So keep watching us on Digging History. We find the good stuff.